Hi everyone, welcome to 13th edition of Global Spice Summit, which is organized by NNS Media Group. This summit was organized on 13th and 14th February at the Rajasthan International Center in Jaipur. Its presenting partner MDH, associate partner Dharampal Satyapal Foods Limited, Catch, platinum sponsor Adani Spices, diamond sponsor CP Masale, silver sponsor Sesotech, Hamdard Khalis Masale and Go Green Warehouses. Knowledge partner Unibound, exchange partner NCDEX, media partner Jalte Deep, Vyapar Kesri, Business Star and Global Advertisers Private Limited. इस समिट का उद्घाटन राजस्थान के कृषि मंत्री डॉक्टर किरोड़ी लाल मीणा जी द्वारा किया गया। Good morning, sir. Welcome to 13th edition of Global Spice Summit. Sir, आपका नाम?
My name is Vishnukant Gupta.
Your company's name?
My company's name is Universal Enterprises. It's based in Cochin.
सर जैसे जो हमारा एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप है वो ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट जैसे इवेंट्स करवाता है, तो ऐसे इवेंट्स जो होते हैं वो हमारी स्पाइस इंडस्ट्री के लिए कितने बेनिफिशियल होते हैं और इनका क्या इम्पोर्टेंस हो सकता है?
It's quite important because it helps in networking and we get information. So that information helps us to do our business in a better manner.
सर पिछले कुछ टाइम से हमें स्पाइस इंडस्ट्री में कौन कौन से ऐसे चेंजेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए आगे बेनिफिशियल हो सकते हैं?
हमको we are able to see that the way the business is being done is changing. The packing is changing. It's more of like, media is much more involved, and there are a lot of apps and all things like that coming in, which is helping business to grow.
ओके सर हमारे रॉ मटेरियल्स में पिछले कुछ समय से कांस्टेंट फ्लक्चुएशंस देखने को मिल रही हैं प्राइसेस में उनके, तो उसका हमारे एक्सपोर्ट पे इंपोर्ट पे कैसे फर्क पड़ता है स्पाइसेस?
उसमें the thing is that the prices, the fluctuation now, it's become an international market. So whichever country is price wise cheaper and quality is also reasonably okay, exports happen from there. So it is like, for example, black pepper, ginger, there are various countries producing it. So whichever country the price is less, worldwide export happens more from that country.
सर टाइम के साथ साथ कंज्यूमर के टेस्ट और प्रेफरेंसेस में क्या क्या चेंजेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं हमें?
See, the consumer, more than the taste, it is like, the price. And taste wise, basically, the whole spices, whatever we are doing, almost the taste is similar. There's not much change. Like 50 years back, what the quality was is more or less the same. But it is the price conscious market. So if like the commodities what we're dealing in, cloves, ginger and pepper, wherever the price is less, people tend to buy more from there. And then in a short period of time, that particular commodity taste is developed.
सर वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, सर हमारे अपकमिंग जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं उनके लिए क्या मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगे?
उनके लिए तो I would say that work hard, be honest and be ethical, and also whatever is the new technology and new things coming up, be updated.
Thank you so much, sir, for